guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be about my amazing visit at Ocean Coral Springs, and that's a beautiful resort in the parish of Trelawny, so stay tuned for the rest of the video. Upon our entrance at Ocean Coral Spring, we were welcomed by the entertainment team who danced and welcomed in a very different fashion, which was really entertaining and I loved it. During our entertainment, we were also brought refreshments on our arrival at the check-in desk. Stay tuned for part 1 of my tour of the property. Hello. This is the lounge area. I really don't know what clips the card I got, but we are lounging. Hello. I'm videoing, just so you know, because you're supposed to tell persons. This is Trisha from last night. She was so sweet. I'm back. Let me cut this. Alright, so these are more shots of the lobby. I have a freaking plane in the middle of the lobby. So this is one of the bars at the lounge area. Hi. Hi. Alright, so this is my view from over here, and over there is the Whoopi. Well, the check-in and check-out desk. Alright, so we're back out. They actually have a convention center. Well, they have a bowling alley here. We did bowling last night and it was so fun. So fun. They have a teen club. Can come and lime. Here we have a little chef. And they actually have a convention center where you can have staff meetings and those stuff. That's this beautiful building. Right, and you have other restaurants and sections for shopping. You have the ice cream section here, and then you have a little section there where it says souvenirs. This is the Christmas tree. Ooh, big old. You have the shopping experience sections over there. More lounge areas, and they have Martha's Market over there. That's where I went for breakfast earlier. And they have Sakura restaurants. I was told that there are 10 restaurants over here. Alright, so that's one of the restaurants. The restaurants are side by side. So we went to Route 66 yesterday. They basically served American food. And then they have La Locanda, which is an Italian restaurant. Then they have sugarcane. All these are dinner restaurants. They're not open right now. They have a sports bar over this side and a disco section. They were having a party here last night. And then you have the Tally restaurant. And that's the end of it. When you come down out of your room, this is what the poolside looks like, and they have some beautiful beds out here, gazebo, mini gazebos that you can come and lie down. It's pretty windy out here, and this is a slight view of the pool area. And the pool goes all the way back down to the beach. And the water is so nice. I can't wait to get in. Beautiful. And it's kids friendly, guys, because a lot of people here have their kids with them, and the rooms are pretty affordable. I would tell anybody to book here. These staff are super friendly, and it's just really amazing and beautiful. If you're interested in getting shots here in terms of pictures or videography, this would be a perfect spot. It's a little getaway, secluded paradise. Here you can see that they have a swim bar where you can swim up and order drinks and just chill. I'm really heading to the beach now. You guys hear the music? And as I said before, if you look, you can see that each room has the stick.
Your water aerobic session starts in just a few minutes. So
we're going to the beach. So guys, that's a video of one of these swimmer pools. We go a little closer to get a better view for you guys. So even though I didn't get a swimmer pool, I'm able to show you what it looks like. And I'm telling you guys, this video does not give this place justice based on what I'm seeing, but if you are here in person, it is absolutely amazing. It's absolutely beautiful. Alright, so we're heading to the beach, and as you can see, they have beach beds and I don't know what to call those, beach gazebos, I think. And right over here they have some more hammocks. That what I showed you was behind, well, was in front of our patio. And there's another bar over there, and it's called the Red Snapper Bar. So you can get beach view, garden view rooms, and these are the hammocks. This is so pretty. Beach. There are lots of coconut trees out here. Showing you a view from the beach. It's so breezy and relaxing. So calm. You can see over there that you can do kayaking. I'm not sure if it's at an additional cost, but you can do kayaking. Okay. There are not a lot of people on the beach, but yeah, this is it. At the beach. Alright, so I'm giving you another view of the swim-out pool that's on my side. They have a little stairs that you can step up. And then here we are. Hi! So this is the swim-up view of the swim-up pool. So if you have a room like this and you don't want to go to the other pool, you can come here. And then it goes over the next side. Absolutely beautiful. I can't get over this resort. And I didn't want to come, you know. I did not want to come, but it's so beautiful. So